Welcome to a new video of Masters Academy. Mathematics, SSLC NCERT, SSLC Annual Exam, June 2020, Part 5. 4 mark and 5 mark questions with solutions. Prepared by N. Parmesh. 34th question. Find the solution of the pair of linear equation by graphical method. X plus y is equal to 7 and 3x minus y is equal to 1. Answer: x plus y is equal to 7, y is equal to 7 minus x. X, y, put x is equal to 1, 7 minus 1 is 6. Put x is equal to 2, 7 minus 2 is equal to 5. Put x is equal to 3, 7 minus 3 is equal to 4. 3x minus y is equal to 1, y is equal to 3x minus 1. Put x is equal to 0, 0 minus 1 is minus 1, y is minus 1. Put x is equal to 1, 3 ones are 3 minus 1 is 2. Put x is equal to 2, 3 twos are 6, minus 1 is 5. Scale: x-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit, y-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. X is equal to 1, y is equal to 6. X is equal to 2, y is equal to 5. X is equal to 3, y is equal to 4. Join the line. That line is x plus y is equal to 7. Second one, x is equal to 0, y is equal to minus 1. X is equal to 1, y is equal to 2. X is equal to 2, y is equal to 5. Join the 3 points, that is 3x minus y is equal to 1. Those two lines intersect at the point at x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 5. Therefore, x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 5 is the solution. 35th question. There are 5 terms in an arithmetic progression. The sum of these terms is 55. And the fourth term is 5 more than the sum of the first 2 terms. Find the terms of the arithmetic progression. Answer: let the 5 terms of an AP be a, a plus d, a plus 2d, a plus 3d and a plus 4d. Add a plus d plus a plus 2d plus a plus 3d plus a plus 4d is equal to 55. Sum of the first 5 terms is 55. 5a plus 10d is equal to 55. Throw divided by 5, a plus 2d is equal to 11. Fourth term is 5 more than the sum of the first 2 terms, that is a4 is equal to a1 plus a2 plus 5. a4 is nothing but a plus 3d is equal to a1 is nothing but a plus a2 is nothing but a plus d plus 5. A minus 2d is equal to minus 5. Call this as equation 2. From equations 1 and 2, a plus 2d is equal to 11, a minus 2d is equal to minus 5. Plus 2d minus 2d get cancelled. 1a plus 1a 2a is equal to 11 minus 5 is 6. Therefore, a is equal to 6 by 2, that is equal to 3. Substitute a is equal to 3 in equation 1. A plus 2d is equal to 11. A is 3 plus 2d is equal to 11. 2d is equal to 11 minus 3. 2d is equal to 8. d is equal to 8 by 2 is 4. Therefore, the 5 terms of an arithmetic progression are a, a plus d, a plus 2d, a plus 3d and a plus 4d. Substitute the value of a as 3 and d as 4. We are getting the final answer 3, 7, 11, 15, 19. OR. In an arithmetic progression, 6th term is 1 more than twice the 3rd term. The sum of the 4th and the 5th term is 5 times the 2nd term. Find the 10th term of the arithmetic progression. Answer: a6 is equal to 2a3 plus 1. a6 is nothing but a plus 5d is equal to 2. a3 is nothing but a plus 2d bracket plus 1. a plus 5d is equal to 2a plus 4d plus 1. A minus 2a plus 5d minus 4d is equal to 1. Minus a plus d is equal to 1. Call this as equation 1. a4 plus a5 is equal to 5 into a2. A plus 3d, a4 is nothing but, plus a5 is nothing but a plus 4d is equal to 5. a2 is nothing but a plus d. A plus 3d plus a plus 4d is equal to 5a plus 5d. 7d minus 5d is equal to 5a minus 2a. 2d is equal to 3a. A is equal to 2d by 3. Call this as equation 2. Substituting equation 2 in equation 1. Minus 2d by 3 plus d is equal to 1. Throughout multiplied by 3. Minus 2d plus 3d is equal to 3. Therefore, d is equal to 3. Substitute the value of d in equation 2, we get a is equal to 2 into d by 3 is equal to 2 into 3 by 3. 3 get cancelled. A is equal to 2. an is equal to a plus of n minus 1 into d. a10 is equal to a plus 9d is equal to a is 2 plus 9, d is 3 is equal to 2 plus 9 3 is 27. 27 plus 2 is 29. Therefore, the 10th term is 29. A tower and a pole stand vertically on the same level ground. It is observed that the angle of depression of the top and foot of the pole from the top of the tower of height 60 meter is 30 degree and 60 degree respectively. Find the height of the pole. Answer: height of the tower, that is AB, 60 meter. Height of the pole is equal to CD, that is H meter. BE is equal to CD, that is H. Let BD is equal to EC is equal to X. AE is equal to 60 minus H. Angle ACE is equal to 30 degree, alternate angles. Angle ADB is equal to 60 degree, alternate angle. In triangle AEC, tan 30 degree, opposite side AE by adjacent side EC. Tan 30 degree is 1 by root 3 is equal to AE is nothing but 60 minus H by X. Cross multiplication, X is equal to root 3 bracket 60 minus H. Call this as equation 1. In triangle ABD, tan 60 degree, opposite side is AB, adjacent side is BD. Tan 60 is root 3 is equal to AB is 60 divided by BD is X. Cross multiplication, root 3 X is equal to 60, X is equal to 60 by root 3. Call this as equation 2. From equations 1 and 2, root 3 bracket 60 minus H is equal to 60 by root 3. 60 minus H is equal to 60 by root 3 into root 3. 60 minus H is equal to 60 by 3. 3 20s get cancelled. 60 minus H is equal to 20. H is equal to 60 minus 20, that is equal to 40. Therefore, the height of the pole is 40 meter. 37th question. A container opened from the top is in the form of a fructum of a cone of height 16 centimeter with radii of its lower and upper end as 8 centimeter and 20 centimeter respectively. Find the cost of the milk which can completely fill the container at the rate of rupees 20 per liter. Take pi is equal to 3.14. Answer: H is equal to 16 centimeter, R1 is equal to 8 centimeter, R2 is equal to 20 centimeter. Volume of fructum of a cone is equal to 1 by 3 pi H bracket R1 square plus R2 square plus R1 R2 is equal to 1 by 3 into 3.14 into 16 bracket 8 square plus 20 square plus 8 into 20 is equal to 1 by 3 into 3.14 into 16. After simplification of this part, that gives 624. 3.14 into 16 into 208. 624 divided by 3 is 208 is equal to 3.14 into 208 into 16 is 3328 is equal to 10,449.9 centimeter cube. That is approximately equal to 10,450 centimeter cube. 1 liter is equal to 1000 centimeter cube. Cost of 1000 centimeter cube of milk is rupees 20. Cost of 10,450 centimeter cube of milk is equal to 20 into 10,450 divided by 1000 is equal to rupees 209. Therefore, the cost of milk which can completely fill the container is rupees 209. 28th question, that is 5 mark. State and prove Pythagoras theorem. Answer. Statement: in a right angle triangle, the square of the hypotenuse is equal to sum of the squares on the other two sides. Data: in triangle ABC, angle B is equal to 90 degree. AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Construction: draw BD perpendicular to AC. Proof: in triangle ABC and in triangle ADB, angle A is equal to angle A, that is common angle. Angle ABC is equal to angle ADB is equal to 90 degree. Data and construction. Therefore, triangle ABC is similar to triangle ADB. Area similarity criteria. Therefore, AB divided by AD is equal to AC divided by AB. Cross multiplication: AB square is equal to AC into AD. Call this as equation 1. In triangle ABC and triangle BDC, angle C is equal to angle C, common angle. Angle ABC is equal to angle BDC is equal to 90 degree. Reason, data and construction. Therefore, triangle ABC is similar to triangle BDC. Reason, area similarity criteria. Therefore, BC divided by DC is equal to AC divided by BC. Cross multiplication: BC square is equal to AC into DC. Call this as equation 2. Adding equation 1 and equation 2, left hand side, AB square plus BC square is equal to AC into AD plus AC into DC is equal to, by taking AC as common, AD plus DC, that is equal to, AC is nothing but AD plus DC. Substitute that value, is equal to AC into AC, that is equal to AC square. AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. Dear friends, if you find this video useful, then please subscribe our YouTube channel and share it to your friends. Thank you.